And in a moment, you're going to fixate on the pocket watch. And I'm going to count from 1 to 10, and with each count and each spin of the pocket watch, you're going to double the level of relaxation you now have, and you're also going to double the level of concentration you now have. Fix your eyes on the watch now. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, letting go, 9, concentrating even more on the sound of my voice, and 10. And when the pocket watch is off the screen, you will close your eyes and you will go 3 times deeper. Sleep deeper, all the way down, concentrating on the sound of your breath and the sound of my voice, and both always allow you to let go more and concentrate more, opening your imagination right now.